Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Honkai Star Rail on your iOS using your Google account. This method is beginner friendly and works even if you are switching from Android or playing on multiple devices. First of all, open up your Honkai Star Rail application on your smartphone. Now, once you get to this login interface, type down your email address in the first tab and then your password on the next. While typing down your email, make sure you're typing in the correct one. After you type down your password, you'll need to agree to Terms of Service and Privacy Policy Notice and then tap on Accept. After you do that, you'll be logged into Honkai Star Rail with your email. Select your server and then wait for the game to load. Once logged in, you'll be taken back to the game and all of your progress will sync if you've played before on another device with this same email. And that's how you have successfully logged in to Honkai Star Rail on iOS using your Google account. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.